Hello everyone, my name is JANICE. I am 6 years old and I'm from Tatika Alpha Middle. Today I want to talk about a cactus and a flower pot. A cactus is a living thing. It needs water, sunlight, and air to grow. It has thorns and it can live in hot places. A flower pot is a non-living thing. It does not grow, move, or breathe. We use a flower pot to grow and hold plants. Thank you for listening. Now let's watch my video of making a cactus and a flower pot. That's all from me. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my video. Bye bye.